Hi everyone. Over the past few years, we have seen an exponential volume growth of decentralized exchanges, which has reached more than 1 trillion euros by 2021. And this growth has accelerated the adoption of decentralized finance or DeFi. Nevertheless, the majority of DeFi protocols today are incompatible with mainstream finance, and therefore there is an unmet demand to create a healthier, compliant environment to attract more capital inflows from institutional investors into DeFi. But why compliance is essential? The recent debacles with, for example, FTX, Celsius, and Terra spotlight compliance risks to institutional investors. Such cases expose institutions not only to substantial financial loss, but also to a potential lawsuit and penalty from legal side. So how do we solve this problem? My name is Sarel, the co-founder of Crowdgenix, and this is our solution in redefining the future of digital asset investing. Crowdgenix is the first mover in building a Web3-enabled and blockchain-agnostic investing platform in a compliant manner. We have three compliance features, which include: one, Crowdgenix will be an EU licensed platform; two, Crowdgenix offers compliant digital assets; and three, there will be a proper KYC checks in our platform. On top of that, Crowdgenix offers multi-asset classes, which include utility, security, non-fungible, and hybrid tokens. And all of these tokens will be in compliance with the prevailing regulations. Crowdgenix is essentially building an ecosystem that comprises token issuance platform, primary market, and secondary market. Our main objective is to unlock trillions of euros in capital by bridging the gap between traditional and decentralized finance. So how does the platform work? As an investor, you have to pass the KYC checks, and once you have passed the KYC check, you can go to the investment opportunities page where you can find a lot of projects who are looking for funding. And once you find the project that you are interested in, you can click on the project and it will bring you to the project's landing page. In the project's landing page, you can find a more detailed information about the project, including about the founders, tokenomics, vesting schedule, etc. If you want to invest, you will need a MetaMask wallet and also a stablecoin, which in this case, we are using a stablecoin from Binance, which is called BUSD or Binance USD. Once you have invested your money into a project, then they will appear on your dashboard. You can track the progress of all projects that you have been investing in from your dashboard, including the token price over the time. Crowdgenix has a distinctive market positioning relative to our competitors because the majority of the players at the moment, they're only focusing on either compliant security tokens or non-fungible and utility tokens. But Crowdgenix, as a compliant multi-asset platform, we are offering a one-stop solution for investors to diversify their portfolio easily. Our team is the best to address the problem, to solve the problem, because we are very well exposed to top-tier global institutions, and particularly for myself and Pedro, we have been digital asset investors for many years. So we are pretty much understand about the industry, and we can leverage our network in order to get our first initial clients or projects. And these are some of the tractions that we have so far. Two examples of the projects in our pipelines are: one, a Web3 infrastructure project based in Portugal; two, a blockchain-based carbon trading platform based in Latvia. And both of them are planning to launch public token sale by early next year. Last but not least, we are currently looking for pre-seed investors that can invest up to 300,000 euros into our platform. And we're going to use this proceed to launch our token and also to build the MVP. Invest in Crowdgenix and join our journey to build a decentralized investing platform that is inclusive, fair, transparent, and compliant. Thank you.